It's the microwave popcorn maker. Just remove the top, then take a handful of seeds and just dump it on in. Just cover the top, open the microwave, place the microwave popcorn maker in the center of your microwave, and then close the door gently. Press 3. Then we wait. Just remove the microwave popcorn maker out of the microwave, and you're done. No pets were hurt in the making of this film. Scout says differently.